Hi, in this video on OpenCV using Python, I want to do something a little bit different, not really transformation of the image, but making a border around the image. And once again I had to find an example of using the copy make border instruction, because the tutorial lacked the exact use of the parameters. But in the end I found a nice example, and following the example a little bit, it is like defining the color blue, and you don't need capitals for it, but well, if you follow it then okay. So using these D4 here, which comes from the blurred image, 5 pixels, 5 pixels, 5 pixels, 5 pixels for top, bottom, left and right. CV2 border constant indicates that it has a constant color. There are 5 or 6 different arguments here, or options, and well, this gives a border with the value of blue, and of course it can be red, green, whatever. I save it in proc13-border, and here I write that file. So I process it, and it gives no error, so that should work. Then I start with the blur, which you once again can easily see, and then no such thing as a colored border, nothing at all, just a blurred image. And then you can wonder why, but as you can see here, if you remember, I read the image here in black and white, because otherwise I cannot use rotation and blur, or translation and rotation. But anyway, I can't use these ones with a colored image. But since I'm using color here, the question is, if I remove this, so I read in a colored image and leave it colored, I can't use these ones. This will go in an error. So what I do is I take them all out, format, comment out, and here I use res. So res, and the rest I can leave the same. So let's see how that works out. Saving. Compiles. It works out fine. And you see that in a colored picture it does have the blue colored border around it. So the conclusion is that everything can work fine, but when you use color, all this is preventing using this. So when you use a black and white image, you can't use colors in it or color options. And that is quite a disappointment, because I would have liked a black and white image with bordered color, colored border. Anyway, I think this is a very nice thing, and you can do lots of things, but I will try to see if I can do something like this anyway, with black and white and color mixed. But somehow I doubt it will work out. Anyway, this is for a short attempt on OpenCV and the difference between black and white and colors. Thanks for watching, and to be continued.